Clear resistive touch panels function differently than the capacitive screens we mentioned earlier. However, they are featured in a few of our available models. For example, here, we have the DDX9707S. So let's take a look and see how they work. Clear resistive screens do still function off of a small electronic charge. However, the construction behind them is set up differently. In this case, we have a layer of glass covered by a thin layer of plastic that's then separated by a small gap. So whenever your finger touches the surface of the screen, you're actually pressing that plastic through that gap to complete that connection. In this case, customers who live in a cooler climate, for example, stand to gain an advantage because they don't have to remove thicker gloves in order to use the screen or to gain control of the receiver. So now that we've seen how a clear resistive touch panel functions, what's the advantage behind it? Ultimately, it's a lower cost option, allowing us to enable premium features at a lower price point. As an added bonus, for our customers who live in colder climates, it also enables them to use the screen while still wearing their gloves. Hopefully this helped to clear up some of the questions you may have about the advantages that each different screen type may offer. We look forward to seeing you in the next training.